Assalamu alaikum students and a very good morning to all of you. I'm your science teacher for class 2 from Ismailia Youth Services. Beta, we have learned 5 units in the previous classes and today we are going to learn unit number 9, day and night. Okay, so beta, open your book, page number 40, unit number 9. Okay, all of you, unit number 9, day and night. Page number 40. Okay, beta? Keep your book along with a pencil and a rough copy with you. If you find any difficult term, note it down and you can write your question in the chat box at the end of the class. Okay, got it? So now, let's start. Okay, beta. Look at the picture on your screen. Okay. Oh, look, the sun is smiling. This is the sun. And this is the moon. The sun shines at the daytime, and because of the sun, we can see everything. We need lights or torch when we go out at the daytime. We don't need lights or torch when we go out at the daytime. Okay, why? Because we have sunlight during the day. Do you need a torch at the daytime when you go out? No, because we have sunlight, because the sun shines so bright during the day. But we need torch or other lights during the night. And why we need lights at night? Because we don't have sun at the night, but we have a moon. We have a moon at night. And moon's light, and moon's light is not so bright as the sun. Okay, moon's light, beta, the sun shines. Look at this picture. The sun shines during the day. The sun shines during the day and the moon is present during the night time. Okay, but the moon's light is not so bright or the moon is not so shiny like the sun. And at the daytime, we usually do our work, like you go to school in the daytime, but we all sleep during the night. Okay? Do you ever think that how this happens? Like when the day comes, the sun shines, and when the day ends, the night comes and the moon, stars appears on the sky. How all this happen? What causes day and night? So in this chapter, you will learn how day and night comes and what causes day and night. So first you have to learn about the earth. Do you know about the earth, beta? Look here. What is this? This is the earth. Earth is a planet. Earth Earth is a planet. Okay, beta? We live on. Where we live? We live on the earth. Where we live? We live on the earth. Okay? And earth is a planet. Planet means a large natural object. Large natural object means like you have mobile, laptop, table, TV. These things are made by the people. But the natural objects are created by Allah Ta'ala, like earth, moon, and sun, clouds. These are called natural things. So earth is a planet. Planet means a large natural object. Okay, got it? Okay, and it is, do you know how earth looks? It is round. It is round like a ball. Earth is round like a ball. So what we call this shape? A sphere shape. Okay, beta? It is round like a ball. We call this shape, it is round like a ball. You can see on your screen? Yes? Okay, and we call this shape a sphere shape. Okay, so the earth is a planet we live on and it has a sphere shape. It is round like a ball. Okay, beta, got it? Earth is the only planet known to have life on it. And how is it possible? Because there are some basic needs for the life. There are some basic needs for the life. Okay, do you know about it? Okay, it means we can't live without these things. The first is air. We will talk about the air first. We have already learned about it in the previous classes, beta. There are many gases in the air. Remember? There are many gases in the air, and the most important gas in the air is oxygen gas. Why? Because oxygen helps us to breathe, to live. Okay? Now, the second thing is temperature. Temperature means how hot or cold something is. Temperature means the degree of hotness and coldness. That so there are some places that are very cold because all things and everything are covered by snow throughout the air, and people cannot live there because of the extreme cold. So we need a certain temperature, I mean a good temperature to live, okay? And the third thing is water. Water is also very important for us. Why? Because we need water to drink, to make ourselves, our house clean. Plants, animals, people, we all need water. Okay? Water is the basic need for life. Okay? We all cannot live without water. Got it? Now, the food. Food is very important and the favorite thing for all of us. We eat food to live. We eat food to stay healthy. Okay? We cannot survive without food. Food is also a basic need for living. Okay? Now the sunlight. Sunlight balance the temperature and we can get food because of the sunlight. Do you know how? Yes, plants. Plants includes vegetables and fruits. We eat vegetables and fruits. Yes, we eat plants, we eat vegetables, we eat fruits, and plants use this sunlight to make their food. So, because of this, we can eat vegetables and our favorite fruits. Okay, are you getting my point? So, these are the basic needs for the life, for living. Okay, beta, got it? Earth. Earth is a planet. Okay, we live on. Why? Because Earth has air, water. You can see in the picture, Earth has air, water, and sunlight. And because of this, Earth is a home to millions of plants, animals, and human beings. Human beings means people. Okay, so these all are the basic needs for the life, and Earth has all these things. So the Earth is the only planet that has life. Why? Because we have all these things. That's why we can live on the earth. Okay? Earth has air, water, and sunlight. Earth has air, water, and sunlight. Plant needs these three things to make food. What are plants? I have already told you. Yes, vegetables, fruits, basically our food. Plants are our food. So these three things, air, water, and sunlight, make life possible on the earth. Okay, are you getting my point? Very good. Now the movement of the earth, with a movement. Okay, the earth along with other planets moves around the sun. That means there are total 8 planets including the Earth. Okay, beta? It means there are total 8 planets that orbiting the sun, 7 other planets, and one planet is the Earth. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So there are total 8 planets that moves around the sun. You know it very well. Earth is also a planet and it also moves around the sun. Okay, beta, look at this video. The middle. This is the sun. In the middle, the sun shines so bright. This is the sun and all these 8 planets are moving around the sun. This is the earth. Okay, the blue one is the earth. So, all these planets are moving around the sun. Okay, beta, look here. This is the sun in the center. This is the sun. The sun shines so bright. And these are all 8 planets, including the Earth. The blue one is the Earth. Okay, all these planets moves around the sun in their own orbits. This is called, you can see the lines, the green, blue. The blue one is the Earth's orbit. That means the path of the earth where the earth moves around the sun. Okay, beta. Now you understand this? So, beta, the path of the earth's movement around the sun is called its orbit. Okay, got it? The path of the earth's movement around the sun is called its orbit. Like you can see here, the earth is moving around the sun. Okay, this movement is called revolution. The earth complete one orbit around the sun in a year. Okay, this movement is called revolution. With a path means like you go to school from your home by a road. That road is your path. Same like that, earth moves around the sun through a path. And this path is called its orbit. So orbit is the path of earth's movement. Like the road is your path, same like this, orbit is the earth's path. Okay, are you getting my point? But you know, earth takes long time to complete one orbit. And how much time? Yes, a year. Earth complete one orbit around the sun in a year. And this movement is called revolution. When earth moves around the sun, okay, through our orbit, this is called revolution and it takes 1 year to complete one revolution. Okay, beta, got it? Now the next one. The earth also spins on its axis. This movement is called rotation. Okay, beta, the definition of this revolution. The definition of revolution, this is given in your book, page number 40, but the revolution word didn't mention in your book. So note it down or take a screenshot of this. Okay, beta? The definition is given in your book, page number 40. Earth also spins on its axis. This movement is called rotation. Okay, what do you mean by axis? The axis means an imaginary line. Then an object, planet like the Earth rotates around. The line runs through the center. You can see here in this picture. In this video, you can see the Earth is rotating and you can see a line on the Earth. Yes, on the poles of the earth you can see a line. This is called an imaginary line. That means this is not the real line. This is the imaginary line that earth rotates on it. Okay. So, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay. When earth rotates on its axis, this movement is called rotation. Okay. See here. When the earth rotates on its axis, this movement is called rotation. Okay, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. How many hours? 24. Okay, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. And you know, this rotation causes day and night. You can see here the side of the earth, because this half of the earth which is facing the sun has the daytime, and the other half is so dark. That means there is night on this half of the earth. Okay, beta, got it? So this is called rotation when earth rotates on its own axis, and it takes 24 hours. Okay, and it causes day and night. Okay, beta. So remember the difference between rotation and revolution. In revolution, we talk about the path orbit. Okay, got it? And in rotation, we talk about its axis. Axis. There is a difference between orbit and axis. Okay, and revolution takes 1 year. When the earth goes around the sun, it takes 1 year uh, to complete this movement. Okay, and for the rotation it takes only 24 hours. So that's why it causes day and night. Okay, beta, got it? Again, watch this video. Okay, now the answer. What causes day and night? As Earth rotates on its axis, the part that is turned towards the sun is in the sunlight. The section that is turned away from the sun is in the darkness. Okay, and that means the side of the earth. But you can see here, daytime, the sun shines so bright, and the daytime yellow. Okay, yellow is the daytime. The side of the earth which faces the sun has the daytime. Okay, the side of the earth which faces the sun has the daytime. Okay, beta, look at the picture. And the side of the earth which faces away from the sun is in the darkness. That means it has night. Okay, that means it has night time. Okay, at any one time, one half of the earth is experiencing day, and the other half of the earth is experiencing night. Okay, so what does that mean? Means at the same time there is a day. At the same time there is a day in many countries, and at the same time in the other countries they have night. Like it's a daytime here right now. Okay, but in the other half of the world they are experiencing night. So at this time the side of the earth where we live on, okay beta, where we live on right now, facing the sun right now. Okay, and how do we know about this? Because we have sunlight and we have a daytime right now. Okay, beta. Again, see this. Look at the picture. The side of the earth which is facing the sun has the daytime, and the side of the sun which is opposite or away from the sun has the night time. Okay, beta, got it? So the sun is the only small star. Okay, the sun is only a small star, so it looks brightest and biggest of them all because it is the nearest star to the earth. Okay, beta, you know, earth is a planet. The blue one you can see in the picture. Earth is a planet. And sun is the star. Okay, beta, sun is the star. You have seen a lot of stars on the sky at the at the night time. Okay, and how do they look? They look bright and shiny, but they look small. The sun looks so bright, shiny, and biggest. In fact, the sun is the only small star. Okay, the sun is a small star, but why does sun look so shiny, bright, and biggest? Yes, because it is the nearest star to the earth. Okay, beta, got it? It is the nearest star to the earth. That's why it looks so bright and big. Okay, in fact, this is only a small star. Sun is only a small star. Okay, okay, beta. Never look directly at the sun. It will hurt your eyes. You know it? Hmm? Never look directly at the sun, it will hurt your eyes because if you look directly on the sun rays can damage or hurt your eyes. So use sunglasses in hot sunny days. Okay, but there is an interesting fact about the sunlight. Okay, it's the only early morning sun that is from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. That means early morning 7 to 9 a.m. that helps generate vitamin D. After 10 a.m., exposure to sunlight is harmful for the body. So, what does that mean? Early morning sunlight gives us vitamin D, which is good for our body, especially bones. As we have learned in the chapter our body, yes, vitamin D makes our bones strong. But remember, after 10 a.m., when the sun is so bright and so the exposure to the sunlight is harmful for our body. So don't go out during hot sunny days. Okay, beta? But take a morning sun bath from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, beta, this is the activity from your book. Beta, here is the model of the earth. You can see here the model of the earth, and this is a torch. Beta, we use torch as a sun. Okay, we cannot use sun here, so we will use torch as a sun here. Okay, so suppose this torch is a sun. So the side of the earth facing the light has the daytime. Okay, you can see here the side of the earth facing the light has the daytime, and the side of the earth which is opposite to the light has the night time. So the side of the earth which is opposite to the light has the daytime. So there's that night time. So that means this side, which is near to the light, which is facing the light, has the daytime. And this side, which is so dark, and that means it has the night time. Okay? Okay, beta, got it? Now, conclusion of the topic. Earth is a sphere-shaped planet and has air, water, and sunlight. Okay, beta, we have learned it in detail. Okay, sphere shape like it is round like a ball, and we call this shape as a sphere shape. Sphere shape, and Earth is the only planet that has air, water, and sunlight. Thus, it has a life. That means people live on the earth. The path of the earth's movement around the sun is called its orbit. Okay, what does that mean? Like you have the path, like you, as I have already told you, like you go to school from your home and you take the road. The road is your path. Okay, so same like that. The Earth's movement around the sun through a path, and this path, the Earth's path, is called its orbit. Okay, orbit. When the Earth moves around the Sun on its orbit called revolution, and it takes 1 year. Okay, beta? When the Earth moves around the Sun on its orbit, it is called revolution and it takes 1 year. Okay? So the Earth also spins on its axis called rotation. Okay, and rotation takes 24 hours. So rotation causes day and night. Now you got the answer? What causes day and night? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Okay, the sun is a small and nearest star to the earth. Okay, beta, the sun is a small and nearest star to the earth. That's why it looks so bright, shiny, and big. Got it? Okay, beta, take a screenshot of this. This is your home task. Be quick. Unit number 9, home task. Beta, this is your exercise from book. You have to solve this exercise, okay, beta, in your fair copy. So, beta, I will guide you. How will you do it in your fair copy? Open your book, page number 41. Hurry up, beta, be quick. Open your book, page number 41. So, the exercise is correct those statements that are false. Okay. So, start. Let's start, beta. A. The Earth is a planet. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Earth is a planet. Very good. Now the B. There are 6 planets orbiting the sun. True or false? False. So what will you write here? This statement is false. There are 8 planets orbiting the sun. So the correct statement is there are 8 planets orbiting the sun. Okay? The sun travels around the earth. True or false? False. Why? The earth travels around the sun. Okay, we have learned it very well. The earth travels around the sun. Okay, what will you write? This statement is false because the earth travels around the sun. Okay, now the D. The sun appears to be so bright because it is the biggest star. Also true. Absolutely, it is false. We all know it very well. The sun is a very small star. Okay, beta, the sun is the only small star. Okay, and why it looks so bright? Because it is nearest star to the earth. Why it looks so bright? Because it is the nearest star to the earth. Okay, now the E. The sun gives us heat and light. Yes, this statement is true. Okay, beta, got it? Take a screenshot, hurry up. Okay, beta. Now, the other, answer the questions below. How does, beta, I will tell you the answer here. Okay, beta. How long does the earth take to spin around on its axis? You will tell me. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, beta, and this answer is also given in your book, page number 41. And this the answer of these all questions are also given in the slide. Okay, so the answer is the earth also spins on its axis. Okay, this movement is called rotation, you know, and it completes one rotation in 24 hours. Okay, earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Got it? And the second question is B. How long does the earth take to go around the sun? The answer is the earth takes 1 full year to complete one orbit around the sun. The the earth completes one orbit around the sun in a year. You can write one of these. Okay, beta. The earth completes one orbit around the sun in a year. Okay, beta. This is also given in your book, page number 40. And C. What is an orbit? The The answer is page number 40. What is an orbit? The path of the Earth's movement around the sun is called its orbit. Okay? And what shape is the Earth? This is also given in your book, page number 40. Earth is round like a ball. We call this shape a sphere. Okay, beta, got it? Beta, take a screenshot. And this is, beta, solve the textbook exercise, and this is on your book, page number 41 and 42. Okay, beta? So, now the question number 2. Write the difference between rotation and revolution. Okay, so you can get the answer from the slides, and as well as you can get the answer from the book. What is rotation and revolution? Okay, beta, this is revolution. You will write 2 points, 1 point and 1 point. Okay, beta. So there are 2 points about revolution. Take a picture or a screenshot, and you can also get it from your book. Okay, and it is on page number 40 from your book. And this is rotation. One difference, and this is the second difference. Okay, beta, rotation. Okay, this is given in your book, page number 41. Take a screenshot. Okay, beta. Now, the next question. Write a short note on Earth, at least 4 points. Beta, you can take this from your book, page number 40. Okay, write a short note. What will you do? You will write at least 4 points about the Earth. Okay, it is given in your book, page number 40. Okay, question number 4 is label the following by using word bank worksheet. Question number 4. This is the question number 4. Take a screenshot. Be quick. Hurry up. Beta, label the following by using word bank. What will you do? This is the axis of the Earth, an imaginary line. The blue one is the Earth, and this round yellow is the sun, and the red arrows are the orbit. Okay, you will do this. And the next question is complete the given worksheet. This is given in your slide. Take a picture or a screenshot. Okay, beta, what will you do? On the pictures below, shade the part of the Earth in darkness and say whether it is day or night in the place marked by the star. Okay, beta, what will you do? You will draw this in your copy. Okay, and where the star? Here is the star, and you will shade this part. Okay, and write the answer like it's the daytime here. It's the daytime here. The sun is facing the Earth, and the star is here, so that means it's the daytime. You will write the daytime. Same like that, the star is where? It has the daytime or nighttime. Okay, you will write the answer here. Okay, beta? Okay, beta, thank you so much. Today's lesson ends here. Okay, I hope you get all these things. Okay, beta, God bless you all. Allah Hafiz.